All right, we back. Thank you for tuning in to the channel. If you get any benefit from any of the information today, please do consider liking and subscribing. You saw the thumbnail. Today is an unboxing, first impression of Loewe. Number 7 or 7. It's supposed to be like a apple, peppery, clove-like fragrance. I've never heard of the house before. Again, I'm still new to fragrances to a degree, especially going up the niche ladder. But this was a random recommendation from Fragrantica. This fragrance was about $85 on FragranceNet, and I'm a little excited because of the actual notes. I don't think it's really for this season, but we're going to find that out. Hold on. All right. Bam. Like I said, never even heard of this house before. I'm sure that other fragrance heads have. I'm going to get right into it. Like I said, I'm a little excited because of the reviews that I saw. Let's open this up. Ooh, this bottle looks rich. I like that. Hold on, let me show y'all this in here, if you can see it. Okay, let me take this out. That bottle looks very rich. Kind of tight up in here. Okay. It's got like a wood handle. Blue. Oh, okay. This is very rich. I like this. Up top here. I like the presentation so far. I do. Loewe 7. Okay. Smell anything out of there? Interesting. Okay. We're going to do that. But what I'm going to do is put it on the strip. Okay. So they say in a lot of the reviews, there was reference to clove, but it's supposed to be some pepper and apple. This is supposed to be heavy on incense, which might be one of the first times I've encountered an incense-based fragrance in the collection. I do like this. This is a unique fragrance. It's unlike anything that I have in my collection. Supposed to be a little bit of like a pepper incense supported by like a rose and apple. I don't know if I smell rose, but I do feel like I smell clove though. I do feel like I smell that. This definitely smells sort of niche, but obviously it's at a designer price point. Okay. I feel like, and we'll see what happens with the dry down, that this would not be like a summer or spring scent. I feel like this is definitely fall or winter. But what I'm going to do now, you know the drill with these unboxings. I'm going to let this dry down and I'm going to come back. Okay, y'all hold tight. We got another winner. Man, I'm excited. Wow. This smells niche quality for around $80-some, okay? This has fall and winter written all over it. If you've ever smelled By The Fireplace and how that just gives you immediate, fall, winter vibes, that's what this is. And it actually smells not necessarily similar, but it's in the same family. But this is different because it's a little bit darker and it's a little bit spicier, but it's got a sweetness that I really, really like. The dry down is everything here. I'm going to be honest. The original spray of this, I almost didn't like. And truth be told, the reviews were kind of 50-50. So this is definitely not blind buy worthy. I feel like this is an extremely quality fragrance, but I would sample this before you buy it. But if you like By The Fireplace, this is something that you will love. Okay, I definitely will say that. All right. I'm going to explore the house a little bit more. This is a great pickup for the price. Man. Loewe, number 7. A complete win, man. Wow, look at that. Starting my day off with that. Look at that. All right. All right, this was good. This was good. I always like it with these blind buys. When you wind up actually purchasing a fragrance, smelling it for the first time, and it winds up being a win, man, that's it right there. So we got through another one. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Again, if you got any benefit out of this content, please do consider liking and subscribing, and I will see y'all on the next video.